We have some big news to share today. We have the team from Alpha Shares coming out and publicly saying that they are the ones behind Momentum Finance. And this is a project I invested in about 2 weeks ago on October 31st or on Halloween Day. I made my first purchase on Mass or Momentum. And if we take a look at this chart, this is basically what I bought it right around here. The price was around $1.24. And because of their momentum mechanism, it is now up to $1.41 around that price, and we've made a full video discussing exactly how the mechanics and how this project works. Now, what's incredible today is that we have this Medium article coming out basically saying that the devs behind Momentum are actually the same devs that are behind Alpha Shares. And if you guys aren't aware of what Alpha Shares is, it's basically an NFT marketplace. Right now they're on Avalanche, but they are also going to be launching on Ethereum in the next few weeks. So definitely pay attention to that. Now, just to give you a quick overview of Alpha Shares, if you're not familiar with this, as we've said, this is an NFT marketplace. So if you think of NFTs and you're thinking of trading, buying and selling, you can do all of this on Alpha Shares. Right now it's on Avalanche, but like we said, it is going to implement new chains in the future, and their next big process is going to be including Ethereum, which in my opinion is obviously a great thing. So now that we know a bit more about Alpha Shares, you can actually get involved behind this and you can mint one of these NFTs. They have about 3,700 NFTs left. And basically, depending on the NFT you decide to mint, you're going to get a portion of the revenues that are happening on this NFT marketplace, which is a great concept. Of course, it's a bit more intricate than that. Depending on the NFT you get a percentage of the amount that you are entitled to. And we can take a look at this here. If we see my total share, because I own two NFTs, I have about 0.028% of the total share of this marketplace, and that is how you're getting paid out. Now, if you're wondering what you're getting paid out into, you're going to get the alpha token, and the alpha token, if we take a look at how much that is worth right now, we can see that they are actually around 95 cents or so, and they have migrated over to USDC because prior to that they were paired with Avalanche. So now that we understand a bit more about Alpha Shares and how you can generate money with their platform, and we also know how Momentum works because you guys have all seen my previous video, and if you haven't, they've actually posted it in this Medium article. We go through everything you need to know about this project in this video, so I definitely recommend starting with that as a stepping stone. But if we take a look at this announcement, we now see that Alpha Shares and Momentum are all in this together. They're the same team behind both projects, and they're going to be using Momentum as their stepping stone into DeFi. And this is also going to benefit the Alpha Share project. So one of the key elements of Momentum that they wanted to test out before bringing this to the open market was in fact that momentum mechanism, which essentially rebalances the entire LP every time there is a buy or a sell, and it is going to push the price of Mass up. So this is where they say the creation of a unique algorithmic stabilizer began shortly after the launch of the marketplace, in this case in the launch of Alpha Shares, and they actually wanted to use this for their Alpha token. So instead of actually launching this stabilizer with the Alpha token, they decided to go ahead and further their confidence in the mechanism, and that's why they decided to launch this momentum mechanism, and this is the Momentum project as we know it now, and that was launched on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, if you're wondering how these two projects are gonna work together, of course, the Alpha Shares brand is still going to focus on the NFT marketplace, as well as a launchpad service and proprietary NFT projects. Now, your Momentum brand is actually gonna be the DeFi division that's gonna focus on innovative DeFi technologies with an upcoming DEX, an auto compounder, and other DeFi services in the future. So I do want to highlight a few keywords here. They do talk about building their own DEX. As we know, everybody is running away from centralized exchanges right now. Everything that's happening in the world, people are going and not putting their cryptos on there because, of course, if they're not your keys, they're not your funds. So people may tend to use DEXs a lot more than centralized exchanges. They may just use a centralized exchange as an off-ramp to get it back to fiat. But all that to say is that they're going to be building their DEX, and if you're wondering if this team is capable of building a DEX, well, they've already built an NFT marketplace, and in my opinion, that's probably more complicated than building a DEX. Now, the other element here is the auto compounder. So that means some staking pools that are going to take place and also be auto compounded. So another great aspect that they're trying to introduce here in this Momentum DeFi brand. And again, it's all under the same umbrella, Alpha Shares and Momentum, all of the same team and the same devs, and they're building out this big ecosystem. So now if we get into the nitty gritty of exactly what's benefiting what, the first thing we have here is if you own one of these alpha NFTs, an alpha pack NFT, you are actually going to see this benefit because a percentage of all the Momentum treasury income will be bridged over from BSC to AVAX and then deposited directly into the contract that feeds reward to NFT holders. So in plain English, if I want to just summarize this, they're going to take a portion of the income that the Momentum treasury is building. They're going to take a percentage of that and then send it over to people as a reward for holding the Alpha Pack NFT. So that's obviously going to increase the rewards of these NFTs. Now, as you remember, the MAS token is actually on Binance Smart Chain, and the Alpha Shares project is mainly on Avalanche for now. So they do plan on launching the MAS token on Avalanche in the next 2 to 3 weeks, and they do say it's going to be at the exact price of MAS on BSC whenever that happens. So there's not going to be a very big opportunity for arbitrage. The prices are basically going to be the same across the two chains. But now the reason they're doing that and the reason they're bringing MAS onto AVAX is they want to open a staking pool for Alpha and USDC. So as we know, the Alpha token is paired with USDC, and they're going to be opening up a staking pool for people to provide liquidity and of course receive rewards from that. So if we continue on with this, it says the staking pool will be fed a percentage of bonds in USDC from MAS on Avalanche, and the rewards from this staking pool will be in USDC and provide a greater volume of rewards for our alpha stakers. Now, as a result, this is obviously going to increase their liquidity pool between Alpha and USDC and hopefully provide more trading stability of their Alpha share token. Now, if we look back to why MAS is launching on AVAX is because they're actually going to be using a portion of the bonds in order to create that staking pool between Alpha and USDC. And if we quickly go back to Momentum, in order to buy into this project, you can buy it directly on the PancakeSwap or on Trader Joe whenever it launches on AVAX. But here is you also have another option to bond, and if you do that, you actually save on the buy taxes, and if you do bond it for 14 days, you actually get 25% more tokens. So in this case, if people are bonding, it's actually going to help them with their purchases as well as supplement a portion of that staking pool. And a portion of those bonds will also be distributed to the Alpha Pack holders or these NFT holders on Alpha Share as a transaction fee distributor and claimed as dynamic rewards. So essentially, this is also going to help increase the rewards that these people have for holding an NFT on Alpha Shares. So last but not least, the Momentum project is actually a lot more. It's an incubator, it's a revenue source, and they are planning to build systems like cryptocurrency mining farms. They also want to have validator nodes, farming strategies, and more. So all of these profits that are going to be made from these investments and from this cryptocurrency mining or all of these other strategies, they are going to be distributed across all chains proportional to the amount of mass you hold on each chain. So if you want more information about their cryptocurrency mining, they don't specify exactly which coins they're gonna be mining, but proof of work, my opinions are probably Bitcoin, probably Kadena. Again, we are just gonna have to wait and see. But they have actually secured electricity rates at 3 cents per kilowatt hour, which is a very, very low rate, if I can say so myself. I think where I live in Canada, it's like 14 cents per kilowatt hour. So this is a very, very low rate. And if you're wondering where that is, it's actually in Paraguay, and that John is actually going to be moving to Paraguay to oversee all of these expansions and make sure everything is good. So John's going to be moving to Paraguay and overseeing that, as well as creating another revenue stream for this whole ecosystem. So that in a nutshell is your news. You have Alpha shares with their NFT marketplace. Now we also have Momentum under the same umbrella, and them using both of these different brands to create a big ecosystem in both the DeFi space and the real world applications of crypto, as well as an NFT marketplace. So with all of that being said, if you want more information, definitely read through this Medium article, go onto their Discord. They're always active there to answer questions. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on this news release. And with all of that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.